final. The start list there: KOZLOVA from Ukraine, Huebner from Australia, Thomas KANE, the world record holder, previous Paralympic record holder. She's just seen her record broken. HERZOG, Turner and Talamona in lane 7. So the one to watch is Tiffany KANE from Australia. She's just seen her Paralympic record broken, but her world record of 1:34.94 still stands. She set that in July last year and has shown some promising recent form. She's already won 3 bronze medals in Rio, the 2015 world champion. Hoping to post a quick time here, and staying with her for the moment is the American athlete HERZOG, who's almost neck and neck with her, stroke for stroke, coming into touch at the first 50.
Well, Tiffany KANE won't pay too much mind to HERZOG on her outside. This is more for HERZOG than it is for Thomas KANE, but Thomas KANE is the way she burst onto the international scene. She was only 13 years old when she went to the World Championships last year, won this event in world record time. She knows that she is the swimmer to beat in the pool, and again, we'll just want to get a feel of how she goes. And she's somebody who is based at Ravenswood School in Sydney, where she trains with, amongst other people, the likes of James Magnuson. So she's got the ability of training with the very best in the world of the Olympic swimmers. She can draw on that experience at any time, and she's showing her experience in the remaining 25. She is the swimmer to beat, and she's going to prove it in the heats, and she wants to prove it in the final again.
Very smooth, assured, confident, looking very, very comfortable as she easily touches in to win heat 2. And she's broken the Paralympic record mark set in the previous heat. So proving yet again she is the athlete to beat in the women's 100 metres breaststroke SB6 classification. Her teammate Huebner touches in 3rd. HERZOG from the United States had a great swim as well. Stuck it to Thomas KANE, but only for 75 metres of the race, and then faded. But perhaps it was more Thomas KANE's decision that she wanted to post a quick time and book her place in lane 4 for the final.
Tiffany KANE might not have been quickest off the starting block. She might not have had the best underwater, but by the time she got into her stroke, she was always going to be the swimmer to beat. HERZOG looked good for a while, but Thomas KANE came into her own in a new